You guys, so for now, right now for gold, I'm going to show you how I caught this sell here. Okay, here, and then here, and then yeah, and then some intra buys here. So okay, so basically, right, you go to the daily. Okay, what I understand is, right, price broke structure here, as you can see. Okay, so daily storyline. Okay, as you can see, price broke structure here. Okay, yeah, so this is all liquidity to me. Okay, and as you can see, price was bullish, right, because it started the daily and weekly storyline from here. So as you can see, it did a shoulder here and it slowly became up here. So as I knew price took liquidity, I knew it wanted to retrace. So whenever price takes liquidity, it usually retraces from a certain POI. So the first POI was here, and then it gave some, and then it went higher, right? Okay, so the next one here, why here? You can see it broke this structure here. Okay, and inside here there's a POI, which I'll show you. You go to the H1. Okay, the H2 there's something too, yeah. As you can see, the H2 there's a POI here and line chart too. Okay, so in the line chart it's like something like this. So you can mark the top one there, and this is all liquidity, as you can see, liquidity. And then I refine it to the H1. Yeah, here. So as you can see, it's aligned with our line chart too. Here. Okay. As you can see, here, right? And then we have here too, the red one here, up here, see? So that's why. And then we have this here, liquidity, right? So when I took that, price came here, and it actually did like this. So see, right? Okay, diverger, right? One touch, two touch, one touch, two touch, pull a trend line, and we got a third touch, align with our POI above. So if the SL is like below 20 pips, I don't mind if you want to take an early risk entry, you know. But I missed the early risk entry, so what I did, I think, let me show you. I went to the M5. Okay, and yeah, so what price did was I entered here. Okay, like I said, like gold, I used to mention, right, we have two head and shoulder. One is the break, and we have the one here, right? Okay, right, and then we have what? We have the other one, which is the without the breaking the structure one, like this, right? This, okay, right? So without breaking the structure here. So this is what happened with that one. As you can see, I saw the pattern. So mine, yeah, this was in the H1 resistance here above. So you see price consolidated. So whenever you see price consolidated, okay, it wants to do a big move, boom, take it all out, and then something like that. Okay, so whenever you see price is consolidating, it's preparing for a big move. So as you see, it came here, and then what I did was I did this. Right, I just did this. Okay, I'm not here, right? And so I entered here. Okay, so you can backtest and try and understand it more, because you know. And then yeah, so I entered here. Some people would have waited here, you know, but I didn't. I just entered here, and then where did I put my sell? Above here. Okay, so yeah, simple as that. So that was the sell that I took there. So that's why my entry was a bit lower here, you know. Okay, so what I did was, where did I hold, right? My main goal to hold was here. Okay, first I wanted it to take this liquidity from the sell